Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today I'm going to show you how to collect the seeds of the calendula plants. So if you remember, these were the calendula plants that we enjoyed, which were getting a lot of flowers, the yellow orange flowers, and we enjoyed them, in the whole spring. But now these plants are dying. So, and if you see, like, this was a flower which dried and it has become seeds. So this is what we want to collect. So I'll show you. So if you just gently open this up, you see these curled up things. These are the seeds. So this one is another one which is dried. So just take it apart here. Here is another one. Here is another one. So all the ones which are dry, you can collect them right away. There's no issue. This one is like, the sides are a little green, so don't want to do it right away, but maybe in few days it will be ready. This one is dry, you can collect it. So basically all the dried seeds, like this one, is ready. And it's a great way to do gardening, because we started with these seeds. We planted these seeds in late winter, and they grew up in the plants, and then we didn't have to buy anything for calendula. We just transplanted it in this planter. They were blooming all spring long, and now we have collected seeds, and in the next season we'll again plant these and we'll again get the calendula plants. So it's a great way, to do gardening. Why go out and buy plants every time? They are expensive. If you can grow them yourselves from seeds, that's the best way. So once all these seeds are harvested, or as much as I want to collect, then I'm just going to take them, pull them apart, and now this planter is ready for something else. So I hope this was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.